You know it, it is your Wednesday, spell with an I, W-I-N-D-S-D-Y, stock review. Let's go all into what's going on this fantastically splendid, profitable day. Hey, you know what's going on. It's Jeremy Alexander Newsome. This is your Wednesday real life stock review. Last Wednesday wasn't a Wednesday, but this Wednesday is a Wednesday, spell with an I. Fiverr on the list. A lot of people asking about this one, and it's rampage Jacksoning. A lot of you, if you are fans of TrendSpider or watched a lot of our presentations that we did, we had one back on late April where I was talking about how bullish I was on this one, April 26th, in fact. So that was when Fiverr was 100% ago, 38 and some change. Now we're at 65. Be an owner, not just a consumer. Shout outs to Pablo for smashing this one, and also my boy Matt DeLong. Matt DeLong got on the microphone back in early May, was talking about how bullish he was on Fiverr, especially with this hammer right here. Perfect hammer, May 5th. Goodness gracious, Fiverr, getting it. Now, what's really cool is some of these cruisy McCruise towns. The cruise lines are building some El Pressurino. It is really, really starting to build, and I like it a lot. If we come over here and turn on some of these moving averages, what you'll notice is we're actually above the 10 and the 20, and we have ourselves a little bit of a pennant pattern. So a nice little pennant pattern here on NCLH. You can actually kind of draw it like this as well. So we'll see if this thing starts kind of coiling and building pressure. If we get a gap tomorrow or breakout tomorrow, that really could be, I think, kind of a delicious and quite pretty breakout on NCLH. Speaking of breakout, Uber was a nice profitable trade for a few real life traders, and I think it's going to continue. This is a swing trade that we did in fact get into. We're bullish on this breakout here with a stop loss right down here. And today is a new white soldier. Know how I know that? You can type in new white soldier into TrendSpider and click apply. And you can see that we have some nice new white soldiers back in here. This one, once it closes, will be considered a new white soldier, but a really, really pretty trade and trend overall. Nice gap, nice trend. Expecting Uber to go a little bit higher. This was how my boy Brad Reed and Robert Thompson III played Uber. This is a 2-minute chart. And actually, Danny also just played the April 25-cent challenge. Sorry, April. This is May. May 25-cent challenge on Uber. He did 34.19 by 33.94 as it was kind of cooking and building pressure, and he made some R's on that. So really good to see and kind of interesting to find out how that played out, but we really just coiled and coiled and coiled. But anyway, the way Brad and Robert Thompson played it was just simply bullish over here in the morning when it gapped up and just slowly continued a little bit higher. That was nice. So I like it. Uber doing its thing, looking really toasty. And shout outs to Dan Jansen. Dan played Micron Technology bullish today. He was the moderator for the May Moderator Challenge at Real Life Trading, and he did phenomenal today. I really do feel like he did exceptional. I mean, honestly, so far, Robert Falco, Chris Rimble, Thomas Wong, and Dan Jansen have all shown me that I'm the worst trader in the whole group. Amazing, incredible, just so disciplined and calm and cool and collected. Shout outs to all the moderators who have come already for the May challenge. Greg Gilbert taking the microphone on Friday. But Micron was a perfect gap and go. You had a bearish candle. We gapped above the high of these last two candles, along with actually 5 candles in a row. So expect Micron to go a little bit higher. In fact, if we do turn on the indicators back on and kind of look at the moving averages, you're above the 10 and the 20 on the daily, which is nice. So we could see a little bit of a compression and a grind higher. But the 5-minute chart on Micron, nice little bearish candle to start the day, and then boom, here's a nice upper shadow, and then boom, here's a nice little bullish candle with an upper shadow, and then bang, shave top bearish candle, and then bang, another little candle. So our entry was right here, 46.42, right above the high of this candle. Dan Jansen nailed it. Stop was down here, and then zoop, got trailed out at 46.88 for a nice solid win. So anyway, good stuff to be had there on MU. Really looking nice over here in our day trading journal. So the day trading journal, this is the one you can find on the website. 4.53 Rs, just slowly stacking them. 70.9% win-loss ratio. Whew. Ladies and gentlemen, I mean, oh boy. Also, shout outs to Sandra Brooks down there in Florida. So proud of you, Sandra. Sandra got herself a really strong mark, $25,000 line. She crossed it. It's been a marathon of R's for real life trading. I mean, a marathon of R's? I like that. Sandra getting across that 25K line stupendously, serendipitously, tremendous job. Maloney is going to be hosting our social hour hangout tonight at 9:30 p.m. Eastern, 8:30 p.m. Central for all of those who subscribe to Real Life Trading. They're going to click, they're going to talk, they're going to hang out, and just be amazing. Another trade that I'm keeping a real close eye on, Google, expecting that one to continue higher, but it's Google. Let's be serious. Why would it not go higher? And then GoGo. Looking for some pullbacks on GoGo, and hopefully it will, just do just that. Pull back, trend, bounce, and then eventually go higher. I like this one to go a little bit higher. Keeping my eyes on the prize for this one for sure. Let's see if I had any requests for today's stock review, and nope. So if you guys have any questions, any stocks you want me to review, post them in the comment section below. I will do that on Wednesday of next week. Monday is Memorial Day. The U.S. stock market is closed, but I will be back on Friday for a trade review. I have a phone call with Interactive Brokers in 33 minutes with my team and myself working on some cool integrations with IB and real life trading. Anyway, folks, just doing amazing because of you. You are all doing amazing. Thank you for helping us grow. Make sure you come over to the website, reallifetrading.com, and click on the Advanced Trading tab because I am working on these classes right now. June 1st through the 5th, it begins, and it will blow your mind and increase your portfolio. Thanks for tuning in. You guys rock, and I'll see you on Friday. And until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye. All right, simply put, that was your Wednesday stock review. Thanks for watching. You are a wonderful person.